Aloha mai kākou o wau o kui o ka ʻōlelo o kēia la o ia hoʻi o kaikunāne. Aloha folks, today's word of the day is kaikunāne. Kaikunāne means brother of a girl. Let's try and say that. Kaikunāne. Now there's another way. Keikunāne. Maikai. Kaikunāne, keikunāne, both maikai. Now kaikunāne is only for girls. Boys, you have another word for if you have a brother or not. So girls, if you have a brother, this is your word you need to say. Kaikunāne. It doesn't matter how old they are, how young they are. If you have a brother, that word is kaikunāne. Okay? So using it in a sentence, he kaikunāne kona. He kaikunāne kona means she has a brother. Let's try it a little bit faster. He kaikunāne kona. He kaikunāne kona. Maikai. Mahalo, mahalo, mahalo.